Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. Tonight I'm going to be doing my nails, and I'm on this journey of actually caring for my natural nails. And basically I have been using silk wraps on my nails to keep my already long nails hard and to help them grow long so that they don't break. I do silk wraps on them. So in this video, I will be doing a little bit of maintenance on my nails. I'm not going to be doing all the nails, but as you can see, I'm going to be filing a couple of the nails down, removing the actual gel polish that's already on the nails, and then repolishing those nails. And I think it's about 4 different nails that I have to redo, but that's what I'm going to be doing. So right here on the video, I'm just removing the actual gel polish. Just sanding it off. And I'll just keep doing this process until it's a clean nail. The file that I'm using is an electric file that I purchased from Amazon. I will be doing a review on that electric file in a separate video, so look for that. But in using the file and doing the sanding process, it is very strong, very powerful. It does have a number setting, where you can start from 0 and go up on the numbers for higher settings. And my setting, I think I have it on about 3, maybe 4. It doesn't take very much. And the application process is very light. So my movements on the nail bed are very light. Also, you want to make sure that when you're using the electric file that you keep it moving, and that you don't just sit it on one spot on the nail bed, because it will actually burn the nail if you hold it in one spot. So that's why it's really important to do light strokes and just to keep it moving on the nail bed. So you just continue the process until you look and see that you have a clean nail. Next up is going to be my ring finger. This particular finger, for some reason, when I have to redo my nails, this is always one of the ones that I have to redo. So when I do my process for the silk nail wrap, the next time I'll have to really kind of slow down on this one and pay attention to the actual process, because I do believe it has to do with the way that I did the silk wrap is the reason why this particular one is not holding the gel polish the way I like. So right now I'm just sanding off the gel polish and preparing it for just a clean nail, so that I can repaint, repolish the nail, and refreshen it. So I'm naturally right-handed, and I'm actually using my left hand to work on this nail, which is on the right hand. So it's a little bit awkward, but I'm definitely getting the job done. I hear my dog Champ in the background. He says, "Hey, everybody." Okay, so now my ring fingernail is complete. And I'll be using the ArtDone mini gel nail polish set. It's a 20-piece set. Another item that I got from Amazon. I'll do a separate review on this one too. First, I'm going to apply a base coat. So the base coat actually smooths out the nail bed and prepares the nail to accept the gel polish so that you get a nice smooth coat on when you do polish the nail. Now my 3 shorter nails, I decided not to apply the silk wrap to those nails. I'm going to let them grow out a little bit more first before I apply the silk wrap, because what I found is that those 3 nails that are shorter, that I haven't applied any extension to them or anything like that. I'm just leaving them natural. I'm not going to even apply the silk wrap because I think that they need to grow out a little bit more. After the base coat has been applied to all the nails, then I'll go ahead and start with applying the first coat of the gel color that I'm going to use. I'll end up doing 2 coats of the gel color, and then after the 2 coats of the gel color, I'll come back and I'll do a top coat on all of the nails. And in between each coat, I will put my nails under UV light. So